In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an About Me section to your LinkedIn profile, and we'll do it in under 5 minutes. Whether you're new to LinkedIn or just looking to spruce up your profile, adding a personal touch with an About Me section is a great way to give viewers insight into who you are professionally and personally. Let's jump right in. To start, open your browser and head over to LinkedIn's homepage. If you're not already a member, LinkedIn is a powerful professional networking site that allows you to connect with colleagues, discover new job opportunities, and present your professional story. Once you're on the homepage, look towards the top right corner and click on Sign In. You'll be prompted to enter your login information, so have your email and password handy. It's essential to keep your login details secure and confidential. Now, once you've signed in, you'll be directed to your LinkedIn home feed. From here, you'll see a menu across the top of the page. Look for the icon or your photo that represents profile. This is generally located in the top navigation bar. Clicking on your profile icon will take you directly to your personal LinkedIn profile, where you can view and edit various sections, including your work experience, education, and skills. You're now in your profile, but to add that crucial About Me section, we want to make sure we're in edit mode. Scroll down slightly until you see the option that says Add Section. Clicking this gives you additional options to further enrich your profile, but for today, we're focusing on About Me. The Add Section button will prompt a drop-down with various categories you can edit or include. Here, you'll want to select the About option. Once selected, you'll get a text box where you can creatively write about yourself. This is a fantastic place to sum up your career goals, highlight your major achievements, and share what you're passionate about in your industry. Take time to craft it thoughtfully. Think of it like your professional narrative. It should reflect your career aspirations and give readers a glimpse of your personality. Remember, keep it concise, yet engaging. And don't forget to proofread for any spelling or grammatical errors. Once you've polished your text, look for a Save button, often located towards the bottom or top right of the section. Congratulations! You now have a personalized About Me section on your LinkedIn profile. This simple addition can significantly enhance your professional image on the platform, making you stand out to potential employers and connections. Thank you for following along, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to share it with others who might benefit.